in this interview?
ग्रेटफुल कि मुझे आपसे पढ़ने का मौका मिला एंड लाइक यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि 4 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं लाइक आई कैन नॉट इवन बिलीव इट एंड मुझे आपकी क्लासेस की सबसे बेस्ट बात वो शॉर्ट स्टोरीज लगते हैं जो आप बीच में सुनाते हो एकदम रैंडमली क्योंकि मुझे इनसे सबसे ज़्यादा कनेक्ट सिर्फ उन्हीं शॉर्ट स्टोरीज से होता है मोर देन द लिटरेचर एंड लाइक मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट सारी स्टोरीज याद है एंड मैं आफ्टर एवरी क्लास घर पे जाकर वो स्टोरीज अपने पेरेंट्स को ज़रूर सुनाती हूँ एंड लाइक उन्हें बोलती हूँ कि आप भी इससे कुछ सीखो.
इट्स रियली वंडरफुल, इट्स ट्रू। मेरा पर्पस यही होता है क्योंकि आप देखो कि अदरवाइज तो लिटरेचर स्टोरी सभी जगह अभी के बट जो हम बीच बीच में जो एनेक्डोट्स होते हैं स्टोरीज होते हैं ना वो हमें कनेक्ट करते हैं एंड दे एक्चुअली व्हाट इज योर नॉलेज, व्हाट इज द नॉलेज, नॉलेज इज एक्सपीरियंस ना। आपका एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंट है, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंट है, आपकी नॉलेज डिफरेंट है, मेरी नॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस, व्हाट वी एक्सपीरियंस इन आवर लाइफ दैट मेक्स अस नॉलेज।
हम आपने 11th में जब मेरा शेड्यूल मैच नहीं हो रहा था तो एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस रखी लाइक मैम मैं आपके लिए वर्ड्स कम पड़ जाएंगे मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ आपके लिए
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
एंड मैम आई रियली अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट्स जो भी आपने लिए हैं आप मेरे लिए रोल मॉडल से कम नहीं हो.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Even though I came very late, I got to connect with you, and I'm grateful that you could teach me. And I really like your aura and everything. It's really nice to be your student. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very long, and it is kind of emotional that I know you since my childhood days. There were we did not connect for a few years, but there would still be times there would be any kind of competition, and I would tell it to my mom, and she would be like, "Lalita, mom would be of great help." And there were times that I was not a student, but you still helped me. And since grade 3, I know you, and it's been 9 or 10 years, and it's been a very long journey. Every time somebody compliments me for my vocabulary or accent or anything, I think of you and my mother a lot because you have been the shapers of what I am today. Majorly, if literally anybody would compliment me, I would genuinely think of you and my mom. And whether it was Pallavi Mosi or my sisters, everybody in my family has been your student once, and it feels so nice when I even told Samara about it that my mother has been your student, my brother has been your student. It feels so nice. And now that I am passing out high school and that this journey is coming to an end, but I would still always look forward to you as my teacher. And any time in life when I would accomplish something, I would definitely reach out to you and tell you that, ma'am, yes, I've achieved something, and you have been a part of my journey so far.
Thank you.
Even though I've not been a student for long, but something I really admire about you is the optimism you carry. It's very rare to find that quality in people nowadays, since the world has become full of negativity. So that's something, and that your knowledge has not been limited to textbooks, like she said. It's always great to see a teacher who's imparting the personal wisdom, the personal knowledge that they have. It truly makes a difference in the class. So I think this is something that I'll cherish long after the class ends.
Has been 5 long years since I've been studying from you, and right now it feels like a really short time. I still remember in 8th standard, like after passing my 7th class exams, I came to your house and you took a test, and I was like really, really nervous because outside of school, I never had a tutor. And I was thinking that you're going to judge me. I mean, I was 11 years old, so I was like that. And but the experience since then has been so great. I'm really grateful that I studied English from you, and all the credit goes to you only, like how much I scored, and I'm really, really grateful to you.
Credit is you are also, because credit goes to you, because if you are not interested, if there is no will, then we cannot go.
Ma'am, I disagree. I mean, you are interesting. You make the subject
Teachers,
interesting.
they kindle that zeal to learn, but then it has to be supported by the students also, isn't it? Yes, of course, this is very important for the teachers to kindle that spirit.
Ma'am, I knew that this is the second last class, but it did not really hit me until I saw you crying today, and now I'm also getting emotional.
Mom, my mom, my sister are my whole world. So when we came to you, we got to know by, I guess, my sister's friend. So I was in third grade when I also wanted to join, but my sister was the only one who could join. But the thing is that after meeting you, we met so many, like that was the point of time. We met so many spiritual and good hearted people that made us who we are. Like I just see different kind of people now working on hard work that they admire. And right, people today आज बोलते हैं कि कोई हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता, ये नहीं करता, वो नहीं करता. I thought this was normal, that you have to reach that height, you have to do everything like accordingly, you have to make good notes and everything. That precision and that has come from you, ma'am. The practice, I know, I remember little glimpses that I used to. There was a round table at the old setup was there, and the seniors would sit and you would teach me beside, and you didn't even have any help then. So my mother used to also do so many worksheets, word power, because first I came for English only. My English was very bad, but now since through the years, even in COVID and after that, you have helped so much. Like even any emotional, like mental disruption was there, and I used to come to you and it would solve it. If I was in a bad mood, I would come to your class and I would be so smiley, and mom is like, "What happened?" So any trouble, anything, like I have put those messages and teachings in my reality and real life, and I am able to help other people as well. So which gives me so much satisfaction that I have met such grateful people, and I'm so grateful to them that if I didn't meet you, I don't know if I would be here or not. Like it's just so I'm a little emotional because of these things, because I have been in such low point of era in my time as well. But if I remember you and my sister and my mother and other people which have supported me, I'm like, no, they have done so many things that they have been through that I can do this too, because they taught me these teachings. So that's what really these 10 years, I'm like, I don't want it to end, because it's just that I don't want, yeah.
The beginning of your life. The beginning of your life. Whatever you have learned till date, till class 12, now you'll be using them. Right? So you may forget rat trap peddler. Right? But the learning, the teaching from that, you'll come to know that how sympathy and compassion, the difference that we learned about it. So when we go for sympathy, then somewhere we are hurting the feeling of that person. But when we are compassionate, then we are lifting up their soul. And that is required. So that character of Edla is very important. Right? So people like character like Edla, they are very few. Those who really understand the goodness. And selfless motivation is very important. If you are going for selfish motive, then the things hurt you. But if you go for selfless motivation, it always gives you the satisfaction. It always gives you that peace and solace, which we are, for that only we are running, isn't it? For that peace and solace and comfort that we are looking for. So why not live with them? Why to attain it? Why not to live every day, every moment with that peace, that satisfaction? That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.